not to do it. Thank you, Vivek.
Well, to add to this, we've always looked up, I have especially, I'm talking about myself, that looked up at, you know, what Vivek has been doing, what Mr. Sapru has been doing, and I've always been saying that बहुत कम लड़के रह गए हैं जो हम सिंगल लड़कियों को मिल सकते हैं, और जो रह गए हैं वो विवेक जैसे हैं जो no tobacco, no nothing, and now they're married and have kids and stuff like that. So we need some more guys like Vivek, so that we also have good guys, good-looking guys, and doing really well and an inspiration. So, you know, I always have said this, and this is again, this remains. Adding to your point, we have been actually pushing few seniors to not promote tobacco, and इसके पहले कि मैं आगे जाऊँ, मैं एक छोटी सी कहानी बताना चाहती हूँ. I sat in the flight where I don't want to mention his name right now, but I will mention his name. He's a huge singer, very big singer, and very, very precious to our industry and everyone. And I saw him, he was in 2D or something. I entered the flight and I looked at him, he smiled at me, and I looked at, and I said, I'm not going to sit next to you. And he said, why? I said, look at your mouth. You know, how can you do this to yourself? And he had gutka in his mouth and everything. He actually, I was like, you are a fabulous singer. I'm not going to sit next to you. And actually changed the seat and sat somewhere else. And the same person I met after 2.5 months, again I saw him in the flight, and I said, I'm not sitting. And he said, I'm going to come and sit. This is an insult. I said, this is an insult to your own self that you do this. You stink. I'm not going to sit next to you. And you know, just 4 months back, I met him in a party, and he said, are you going to talk to me? And I looked at his face. His teeth were all white. He was tobacco free. And he said, Neetu, can I just thank you for this? Because the day you pinpointed me, I felt so insulted. Nobody has ever done this. And he's tobacco free. I just produced a film where I requested him to do a song, and he sang for us. And he said, I feel 10 years lighter and younger and everything. And his name is Hariharan.
Wow.
And I was so proud of the fact that he did this. And if you're listening to it, or you will listen to it, thank you so much for doing this. You were an inspiration.
Thank you for sharing that story. Talking about singing, we have, as a taking forward of this initiative as a fundraiser, we have a concert tomorrow where, of course, we have Neha performing. Neha is a renowned singer we all know. And of course, Jag Ghumia, jo recent inka hit gana has been doing rounds everywhere. She'll be performing tomorrow with Divya Kumar and Farhan Akhtar. Unfortunately, Divya and Farhan could not join us today, but we would love to thank Neha for supporting the cause. I would request Mr. Vivek Oberoi and Neetu Chandra to come up and thank and felicitate Neha Bhasin for supporting the cause. Art is a great form to support any social cause, and of course with her music, she's right here talking against tobacco.
Yeah, I think सब काफी कुछ बोल चुके हैं, तो yeah, I was going to fall in.
सब काफी कुछ बोल चुके हैं, आप गा सकती हैं.
हाँ, तो बस गाने से पहले I just say one thing कि जब डॉक्टर ने बोला कि there are people who lose their voice, तो मेरा तो दिल इतनी जोर से धड़क रहा था. ऐसे मैं अपनी जिंदगी इमेजिन नहीं कर सकती अपनी आवाज़ के बिना, क्योंकि मैंने अपने जीवन में एक ही चीज़ पाई है, समझी है, और वो है मेरी सिंगिंग. और इस वजह से मैंने कभी स्मोकिंग नहीं करी. तो मुझे बहुत अजीब सा लगता है जब मैं सिंगर्स को स्मोक करते हुए देखती हूँ. मुझे बहुत मुझे समझ नहीं आता कि इतनी बड़ी गिफ्ट, इतना बड़ा गिफ्ट जब भगवान आपको देता है, आप उसे कैसे मिसयूज़ कर सकते हो. मैं समझ सकती हूँ कि जो लोग जिनको दुख हैं या जो विलेजेस में रहते हैं, बट जो हम प्रिविलेज लोग हैं, जिनके पास सब कुछ है, हमें नशे की क्या ज़रूरत है. यू नो, गेट हेल्प, डू मेडिटेशन, उसमें भी एफर्ट लगता है और स्मोकिंग में भी एफर्ट लगता है. सो जस्ट टेक केयर ऑफ योर हेल्थ एंड बी गुड टू योर सेल्फ, बिकॉज ये जीवन हम सबको रेंट में मिला है, एंड यू हैव टू टेक केयर ऑफ इट. ऑन दैट नोट आई सिंग अ सॉन्ग. इसकी लिरिक्स पे वैसे थोड़े पंजाबी में है, बट खड़ी हो जाती हूँ. इट्स ऑल अबाउट लविंग योर सेल्फ. इश्क फिकर दा छट्टे पल्ला मौज करता होके झल्ला जीवे इश्क में दिलड़ा होया फकीरी मांग सबकी खैर सुखल्ला जीवे गिरा दीवारे लगा ललकारे इश्क दी मस्ती दे विच सोवे ते जागे धुनकी 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 लागे धुनकी 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 लागे ओ धुनकी लागे रे.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is just a small trailer of what's going to happen tomorrow at the concert. Well, life कई चीज़ों के बगैर अधूरी है, वैसे ही singing, musician और music के बगैर अधूरी है. We have a musician, we have an ace musician who's been supporting CPA and its cause from last 10 years. Very renowned drummer of our country who's played always so humble, always ready for anything good. And ladies and gentlemen, we've heard everyone and we are waiting to hear it from the man himself.
वो पैसा मुझे नहीं चाहिए. तो बहुत सीरियस एक कमिटमेंट रहा है और अब देखता हूँ कि जो एक छोटी सी एफर्ट शुरू हुई थी आज बहुत बड़ी हो गई है. कल इतना बड़ा हम कॉन्सर्ट कर रहे हैं, 2000 लोग आएंगे, हमारे वॉलंटियर्स आएंगे, फरहान, नेहा बसीन, दिव्या कुमार सब हमारे लिए गा रही हैं कल. दे आर परफॉर्मिंग फॉर अस एब्सोल्युटली फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट. एंड ऐसे फंड रेजर्स हम पूरे साल करते हैं. एंड इससे पिछले 16 साल में हमने करीबन 2.5 लाख कैंसर पीड़ितों की मदद की है. खासकर बच्चे जो हिंदुस्तान के छोटे छोटे गांव से आते हैं, किसानों के बच्चे होते हैं, उनके घर वाले बेचारे इतने त्रस्त हो जाते हैं पीड़ा देखकर बच्चों की. अपने घर का अपने जेवर, अपनी ज़मीन, ये सब चीज़ें साहूकारों के पास में गिरवी रख के 4% 5% महीने के ऊपर बेचारे पैसे लेकर इलाज कराने आते हैं. तो ऐसे लोगों की जब हम मदद करते हैं बिल्कुल निःशुल्क 100% फ्री जब करते हैं, तब जो मज़ा आता है इस कॉज से जुड़ने का, जो एक सेटिस्फैक्शन फील होती है कि हमने ज़िंदगी में कुछ अच्छा काम किया. और उनकी जो दुआएं मिलती हैं, वो दुआएं से जितनी खुशियां मिलती हैं वो अनगिनत हैं. जी, उसी के लिए शूटिंग करने भाग रहा हूँ मैं. उसी सुबह शूटिंग, हाँ सुबह, तो बिल्कुल सुबह की शूटिंग कर रहा था, फिर ये करके प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस फिनिश करके फिर वापस भागूंगा और वापस शूटिंग करूँगा वहाँ पे. बहुत मज़ेदार बन रहा है शो, बहुत फिनोमिनल बन रहा है शो. बहुत एक्साइटेड हैं हम इसको लेकर. मुझे लगता है कि एक नए तरह का रूपांतरण है ये. न्यू काइंड ऑफ गैंगस्टर ये मैंने प्ले नहीं किया इससे पहले, इस टाइप का रोल. जब देखेंगे तो समझ में आएगा क्या है.
प्रीतम पीछे से ना एक वीडियो बना लो इसका, कि we will put it up. I'm always scared of him because he asks the world's most toughest questions. चलिए ready. See, life is very beautiful and very precious. और हमारे लिए बहुत important है that you respect life. And using or having tobacco or being on something which is totally opposite of what you can have and what you can do in life, live life, I think that's not fair. So No Tobacco Day ke din, I would like to request all of you seeing me and that please be away from this, because you have to live life for yourself, of course, and for your family who are waiting for you at home. Sab log ghar pe, they love you so much, and it is not fair on your part to do this to them, that finally you know with consuming tobacco, you will find a way which will go to cancer. That is 90% sure. So आज for Tobacco Day, I would like to again request the parents also to take care of their kids, because out of stress, out of depression, out of not trying to lose weight and not having the food, they always try to get onto something which which gets them away from all these things. Today I would like to introduce Jack Brewer.
Hello, how are you?
Jack has a NGO in New York, and he's been working towards the youth, kids, and he's been ex-captain. He's an ex-captain of American football. He's a professor himself, and I'm really honored to associate and meet him in New York, because he is a cancer survivor, which is a strong thing in itself. As he said that before the operation, he was already surviving and all. So that's a sign of a great fighter and a strong man, which he is. He's coming in India as an entrepreneur, as a coming with the trading with the government today, and associating with CPA. And he himself promotes no tobacco, which is a fabulous thing and an inspiration for all of us. I'd like Jack to say something.
Yeah, it's an honor to be here. As Neetu said, being a survivor of cancer and struggling through that battle, you always have to stay positive. And the one thing about this entire country, I feel positivity. Coming from the U.S., you just feel the spirit of the Indian people. I really enjoy being here. I want to continue to come back. And on behalf of my organization in America, all the professional athletes that I help and represent, we just look forward to doing what we can to help these people and bridging the gap, and bringing folks together. Because I think there's a powerful message here, whether it's no tobacco, you're talking about the fight against cancer. This is a global fight. The same things that affect the people here in India affect folks all over the world. And so we have to come together as one human family and really be voices for the voiceless and continue to push people towards, living free of tobacco and fighting cancer. And like Neetu said, living for your families and living for others and making the society better. So just an honor to be here.
No project cocking today, only no tobacco. No. Don't mix two things. Thank you so much. बहुत शुक्रिया आप लोग आए, और please keep promoting this, taking this message ahead to the youth, to the society, to the children today, and the girls also who have actually picked up this habit in a big way. Guys, it's not cool to smoke. It's cool to not smoke. Love you all. Thank you.